Horticulture. Today we have a guest from East Africa, Rwanda, and we are going to make red wine and white wine. These are the things that we're gonna need to make our red and white wine.
For the ingredients, we have 100% juice.
100% juice. Make sure you take 100% juice. Make sure the juice has no potassium, the juice has no benzene, the juice does not have sodium, and if it has sodium or benzene or potassium, it will react with the yeast, so we will not have the best wine we want. So we have 100% fruit juice. Make sure you grab 100% fruit juice.
Yeah, and we also have, we are going to use a cup and a half of sugar and 1/8 of the yeast. And we're using the airlocks. And we will let it sit for 10 days.
Remember, the airlock is just to prevent microorganisms to get into your drinks when in the process of fermentation. So you may use the airlock tubes, or you may choose to twist your bottle top just a little to allow air to come out but not come in. We have our empty bottle. We are going to ferment our drink in these big bottles, but if you don't have the big bottles, you can choose to ferment it in the same bottle. So,
alright, let's get into it. So this is my 1/8 of yeast. That's what I'm starting with.
So we're gonna put yeast. Using a funnel so that you cannot spill your yeast. Then to add sugar.
The cup and a half of sugar.
1 cup and a half of sugar. So you're adding sugar if you want to make a sweet wine, but if you want to make a dry wine, you don't need sugar. You can just put yeast and the juice. Now we're going to pour our wine to the sugar.
Into the sugar, and then we're going to shake so that all the particles of sugar and yeast gets dissolved in the wine.
So if you're going to shake, we do half of it so that you can have a good shake. So we need a good shake.
Alright, and then we're going to proceed and pour the rest of the juice.
So make sure you give a bit of allowance for air. You don't fill to the top so that it can give room for fermentation.
And we're going to use the airlocks.
We're going to put our airlock. So the airlock helps with bubbling. It limits the amount of air coming in and allow air to go out. So it's good for fermentation.
And from now on, we just wait for the fermentation days, the 10 days that we had saved earlier, and we'll be back on the 10th day. It's gonna be our testing day. All right.
In the meantime, I clear the balances.
Yeah, doesn't matter. So guys, here we have a mix of the full ingredients for the white and for the red wines. So right now we're just going to place it in a cool dark place, no direct sunlight.
Because remember, sunlight reacts with the yeast and it will not give us the maximum alcohol content we need for our wine. And guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscription button there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And
yeah, and if you're watching, and comment just with a #craftyculture and we will give you a shout out in the next video.
yeah, #craftyculture.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you on day 10. We have
Testing
testing
day.
day. Hello guys, welcome back.
Today is the day 10. Today is when we are doing our wine testing for the
This is the red.
and the white wine. Thank you guys for watching, and you should like and subscribe and comment with any questions that you have. We'll be ready to answer. Thanks for watching.